KUSUM'S research and development efforts have fueled its growth as a pharmaceutical research-based company. KUSUM is a hub of innovation and passion that continues to shape the brand's global landscapes.
At KUSUM R&D, we are not just developing new pharmaceutical product, we are also creating solutions. KUSUM'S R&D is defined by an excellent team of experts and support from cross-functional teams. The R&D plays a pivotal role in transitioning drug from the lab to manufacturing, using patented technologies, thus expanding KUSUM'S product portfolio.
One of the most exciting things about working here is collaborative environment.
Our commitment to quality and innovation has enabled us to establish a strong global presence.
This helps us to make informed decisions and accelerate the drug development process.
Our talented team, working in world-class facilities, is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of pharmaceutical innovation, from drug analysis to formulation.
We are a community of passionate individuals who are dedicated to making a difference.
Our work could potentially lead to a breakthrough treatment.
R&D is responsible for studying the effect of our compounds on the human body.
We work closely with IPR experts and the clinical development team to ensure our research alliance
offer KUSUM R&D a competitive edge.
The state-of-art facilities and talented teams are dedicated to improving the lives of patients around the world.